I had short hair for 20 years of my life and was one of those people that didn't believe that it was possible for me to grow my hair long. To be honest, I had the same mindset most of you currently have and felt long hair was due to genetics. But no, that's a big lie. I had short hair because of lack of care and zero knowledge on how to handle my hair. I started using hair care products and changed my bad hair care practices, and that was all I needed to see my hair increase in length. And I can boldly tell you with my 8 years of hair care experience that you can't grow your hair with only 1 or 2 products. Here at G Collection, we have a set of 5, 6, and 7 products for your hair needs, but the minimum set you need to start your healthy hair journey is a set of 5, which I have carefully and thoughtfully put together. This set contains a moisturizing shampoo that helps you minimize breakage and leaves your hair super soft after rinsing it off, a rinse out or deep conditioner for you to choose from, which makes your wet hair easy to detangle while softening, conditioning, and moisturizing your strands like you've never felt before, a protein treatment mask to help strengthen your hair from the inside out, which helps prevent unnecessary breakage caused by lack of protein, a leave-in conditioner which softens your strong or hard to handle hair and makes combing and manipulation easy and pain-free, and last but not least, from the set of 5, the best butter you would ever come across, which seals in moisture, keeps your hair feeling soft and moisturized for days. You can never go wrong when you're using the right products in conjunction with good hair care practices. Our product softens the toughest hair and makes handling super easy, which makes it possible for you to retain length and grow your hair longer with time.